Want your mobile hotspot to stay hidden so only trusted devices can connect? With the hidden network option, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will not broadcast your hotspot name. That means only devices that already save your hotspot, especially those with auto reconnect enabled, can join. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection, tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot, tap your network name, then go advanced. Now turn on hidden network and then tap save. Once this enabled, your hotspot will not show up in the Wi-Fi list on other devices. Only devices that already know your hotspot and have auto reconnect enabled will connect automatically when you turn it on. And that's how you hide your hotspot and keep it exclusive to your own devices. It's simple and secure. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.